Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. So later in this video, I am going to learn that how to make a Facebook poster for your group or your ID Facebook ID. Okay. So before we can start, first of all, subscribe to our channel and like my video, like this video. So it's Canva tutorial number 7. Okay, open Canva. Okay. So here it's opening. Okay, while it's opening, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Okay, so wait for a while. Okay, here it appears, here it opens. Go to search bar and search for Facebook cover. Sorry, not poster, Facebook cover. And wait for a while. Okay, so here many types of some templates appear. Select which you like. One is paid or one is free as usually. So we go to free. Okay, for example, I am telling about my digital marketing. Okay, so here it's did about digital marketing template. Okay, open it. Wait for a while it's opening. Okay friend, here it's opening. Here it's opened. Okay, here here you can put your website. So I am making my website about games. Okay, free games, free uTorrent games. Okay, for example, I have www dot worry gamers. Okay, dot ml, not dot com. I am beginner, so I am just right now I'm taking free domain. After when I experienced, I take .com domain. Okay, I buy it. Okay, here you can delete photo or add your photo. Okay, click on add button, go to uploads. Okay, click on upload files. Leave that upload files. Here for example I have this photo. Click on it and here I adjust it. For example, this is not me, it's my friend. Okay, and my for example my agency name is learn uh, what happened, oh, sorry, reload page. I don't know why it's doing this, but okay, for example I type here learn free courses. Okay, company, zoom it, here company, click on it. Here you can add more of, for example, official page. Okay, official page. Okay, so you can also change background color. Okay, here color, click black, click anything else you want. So I think white is best. Okay, so here you type your agency, your Facebook page name, for example. So for example, my name Facebook page is mm, leave this here. Here you can type your Facebook page name. Okay, and here you can also add a bio. Increase your business quickly with us. Okay, so here I can type learn free courses with us. Okay, here. Okay friends, here your Facebook cover is ready. Okay, leave that. It's, I don't know, leave that. Or here our Facebook page is ready, Facebook cover. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our my video. So here you can download it. Or thanks for watching.